Okay, so you're building product sets in Meta using data from your feed. But here's the problem. Meta doesn't allow you to use just any column in your feed to filter. You can only filter the basic things like title, description, pricing, but you want more out of your product set, something like bestsellers, items over 200, new arrivals. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to add custom labels to your product feed in Marpipe. Everything we're going to be doing lives inside the Manage Fields page here. This is where you see all of the fields coming into Marpipe and all of the fields going out to ad platforms like Meta. Whether you're creating product sets in Meta or really any ad platform, you can't just use any random field in your feed. Meta and others only recognize a very specific set of attributes. If you want to create anything custom like bestsellers or new arrivals, for example, your field must be named custom_label_0-4 or custom_number_0-4. If it's not named exactly like that, Meta won't read it and you won't be able to filter or build product sets from it. So let's walk through two ways you can add custom labels in Marpipe. First method, we're going to create a custom label with rules. So we're going to come up here, add a field. We're going to do a text field. We'll use custom label _1, and we're going to make sure it's included in the output feed. That way, when we publish a sync, Meta can actually see it. Now we define the label values. Let's name it leather bags best sellers. That's the exact text that will appear on the products we apply this to. Next is the most important part, conditions. So we'll click here. We have 1166 SKUs in our custom label right now. We're going to narrow that down. We're going to add a filter. This is where we tell Marpipe which products get this label. You can filter using anything in the feed, but for this example, I already have a Shopify collection set up, and that is called leather handbags best sellers. So now you can see we have 341 SKUs right up here. Once I save this, all products in that collection will automatically receive the leather bags bestseller custom label. To show just how powerful our condition tool is and can be, we're going to take this a step further and define our bestsellers that are under 200 and over 200. That way we have a little bit of variety. So we can do this right here in our first custom fields. We're going to select an option. We're going to come down to price is less than, let's say 200. So this is our custom field that says our leather handbags bestsellers that are under $200. That's around 142 SKUs right here. So we're going to save that filter. Let's add another rule. Let's do best sellers above 200. Save. We're going to come back here, do everything we just did. It contains our leather best sellers. We're going to add a filter. Price. We're going to say greater than 200. And that's about 172 SKUs, which checks out. So all of this, now we have leather bags best sellers. We can use the under 200 rule, and we can also create our best sellers over 200. All of those SKUs can be put into this one custom label, number one, and is only taking up one custom label space. We can save this. After publishing or syncing, you'll need to give Meta a little time to ingest the feed, and this label will now be available to build product sets. So we're going to delete that for now. Now let's look at a more scalable approach. We're going to be creating bulk labels using Shopify tags. When creating a new field, we're going to choose from Shopify as a source, and we're going to switch to tag mode. Again, we'll name this custom label 1. We're going to include it in the output feed. And here's how the extraction works. In our Shopify data, we're going to use styles. We already have tags like style crossbody, style wallet, style tote. Marpipe can read these patterns. So we'll tell it to look for the word style followed by an underscore, and then extract whatever comes after it. So if the tag is style underscore crossbody, Marpipe pulls crossbody and automatically populates that value into custom label 1. Once saved and synced, Meta will now see all those styles: crossbody, tote, wallet as selectable values inside the custom label. And that's it. You now have two powerful ways to create custom labels within Marpipe. You can use rule-based labels for precise control or tag-based extraction for fast, scalable organization. Both approaches unlock cleaner product sets, better structure in Meta or any other ad platform, and way more flexibility when building your catalog ads. And that's it. Simple, powerful, and fully Meta compatible. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.